bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, we're gonna continue with the haul videos. I have here for you the Dollar Tree, and I have Tuesday morning. So let's get started. Okay, so I've been stocking Dollar Tree because I've been looking for stuff for Halloween. I'm waiting for them to bring out their Halloween stuff. I'm super excited to see what they have, and I haven't really had any luck. Everything is about fall right now. I haven't seen any Halloween stuff, which is okay, but I'm pretty sure that eventually in the next few days it's going to be up. So maybe I will bring you guys along with me if I happen to come across Halloween little goodies at the Dollar Tree. We'll see. But anyway, I found some stuff that I wanted to show you because I thought these things were really awesome, and I thought that maybe it would be a great idea to grab it, especially now that they have all the fall stuff out. So I found these really fun burlap ribbon. I like them. They're so cute. I like the size of it, by the way. I think it's perfect for like a tag or like an embellishment. It's perfect. So these are by like the fall section decorations, but I thought they were really great to use for any kind of project. I like that they're like kind of like not that thick. They're like ribbon size, which is perfect. I bought the brown and I bought the orange. They also had, I believe, like a yellow one and maybe like a red. All right, then I found these, which I thought they were awesome. I originally picked up like 8 of them, and then I'm like, okay, do you really need 8? So I put them back. But these are these ribbons. These ribbons are actually very pretty. I think I'm gonna grab 2 more of these on my next stop, hopefully when the Halloween stuff is out. If they still have more of these, I'm gonna definitely grab 2 more. These are awesome to have, but they're really pretty. They're actually shaped as leaves. Okay, here, let me open one up for you so you can see. It is absolutely gorgeous. This ribbon, I've never ever seen ribbon like this before. I thought it was brilliant and so beautiful. You see that? Look how beautiful this is. Let me see, get something white. See, they're like leaves. They're so pretty, right? You can make these into embellishment. The actual ribbon can actually be an embellishment. You can actually cut out these little tiny leaves and create like a nice little tiny embellishment out of them, or you can use them as borders. You can use them as, you know, so many things. I just thought it was so beautiful and so detailed that it really caught my eye on that detail of those leaves. I just thought it was beautiful. So anyway, I bought this orangey bright color, which I thought it was very fitting for the fall. I bought this nice red color and then this brown color. Okay, I thought they were really awesome. Okay, I found these googly eyes, which I think I already bought these googly eyes, but I got them because they have these red ones in here, and I want to use these red ones for Halloween project that I'm thinking of doing for you guys soon. I can't wait. I got a little bit of this idea on how to create something for you, but it's not exactly coming out perfect. Or not, there's nothing really perfect, but there's no such thing as perfect, but it's not coming out exactly how I want it to come out. I'm getting ideas from different people and asking them, okay, does this look like what it's supposed to look like? And one of my coworkers was like, no. My husband was like, no. So I'm like, okay, I gotta make sure that it looks a little bit more like what it's supposed to look like, right? But anyway, while I'm trying to figure out how to make it look more creepy and more what it's supposed to look like, I found these googly eyes and I thought they would be perfect, and I love the red one, so I think I'm going to use the red one in this project. So yes, that is my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, I found more of these foam you know, guys, I talked to you guys about this tape. I love these tapes. Every time I'm at the Dollar Tree, I grab at least 2, if not 4. I love them. They're like the best foam mounting tapes ever. I love them. So I grabbed 2 more of these, and I found this ribbon, which I said to myself, oh my god, this ribbon will go perfect with my Christmas theme this year. So I grabbed it. It is such a beautiful pink, like sparkly, beautiful pink color. It's kind of like fluorescent. Is that how you say fluorescent? I don't know. It's just a very unique pink color. They also had other colors like this. It's just, I don't know, it's like glittery. It's like, it's just beautiful. I can't really explain, like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's just a very beautiful pink color. And it's gonna go perfect with my Christmas theme this year. I'll do a whole video on that next. And I just love it. So I'm gonna definitely use this for Christmas. I'm gonna put this on the side so I can show you later everything together. All right. Hold on one second. Okay. Then I found these 2 note cards. You guys know me. I told you guys about the note cards. You hear that? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? Okay, so anyway, I found these and I thought these were awesome. I love note cards from the Dollar Tree. I already talked about this. So I needed to go and get another one of these note cards that kind of matches this one, which I showed you guys on a previous video. I have a project for you guys using these beautiful note cards, but I needed something different. I didn't want to use the same print on the project, so I found this one, which I thought was beautiful, and it goes perfect with this one. So can't wait to show you guys what I'm up to. Okay, and then I found this one, which I thought was so cute. It gave me like a yeah, I think it's like a Maggie home kind of feel when I saw this, right? These cute little bunny. I thought it was cute. So I grabbed it. I thought it was awesome. I'm thinking of maybe cutting it out and making it as an embellishment. I thought it was just adorable. So I grabbed this one as well. Okay, my love. And that was the only thing that I got at the Dollar Tree. I did not go crazy because I am waiting for the Halloween stuff to come out. But in the meantime, I went to Tuesday morning and I actually did pretty good in Tuesday morning. So let me show you what I got here. So Tuesday morning, I went in. Okay, so the reason why I really went to Tuesday morning was I wanted to find some Halloween paper, as if I need any more paper in my life. But I needed some Halloween paper. I saw on Instagram someone post some beautiful papers that they got at a Tuesday morning, and I haven't seen anything, so I really didn't find any paper that was Halloween inspired that I liked. So anyway, but I did find these beautiful, gorgeous stickers from Pink Paisley. I just love this. I think I remember buying 12 by 12 paper from this collection. I have to go and search because I have a feeling that I have something that's related to this collection, but I can't remember what it is. But anyway, I found these stickers. They're super beautiful. They're from the collection called Spellcast right here. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Spellcast. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. These women right here are like my life. Oh my God. Can I just be her like for a day? Oh, I love her. Look at how beautiful she is. Look at this one, how gorgeous. And you got another one back here, which is like fabulous. I just love it. They're beautiful, beautiful stickers. I love them. So I grabbed 2 of these. They were only like $2. They actually had more, and the rest of the ones that they had, they were like all crunched up and all like out of place. So I just grabbed the best ones, which were these 2. And then I also grabbed these stickers, which I thought were awesome. They're called Monster. They're for Halloween, and I thought these were really cool. I love the font. I thought it would be perfect. In my mind, I'm thinking, bam, we're gonna do a banner using these babies. Yes, of course, yes. Okay, and that is all I got for Halloween. Now, I bought more of these Tim Holtz metal sticker. I am fascinated with this. I love this, okay? Because number one, you get 568 stickers in here. Um, you get a lot of stickers. This only cost me $1, guys, $1. And let me see how many here. Okay, so when you get this, you'll get okay, so you'll get two of like kind of like the white on gold background, and then you get two of the black on gold background. And I think this is really a really good price, because you guys know that these alpha stickers are freaking expensive at Michael's. Not only are they expensive, they don't really give you that much. You can really kind of buy them when they're either in clearance or when they're on sale or when you have a coupon, and it's a little expensive, especially the alphas. You know, that when you try to put things together that you're using alpha stickers, you might need like multiples of A's, multiples of E's, multiples of M's, multiples of, you know, whatever. So it kind of gets expensive because you need a lot of these, right, to create your word or whatever you're trying to you know, whatever you're trying to put together. So anyway, so I thought these were awesome. I don't know, I feel like if you guys see these, you should grab them all. Don't be greedy, grab all of them. For $1, you cannot go wrong. And these stickers are like perfect sizes. You can use these for paper crafting, any kind of paper crafting, card making, any embellishments, project life, junk journaling, art journaling, anything. They're like the perfect size. So anyway, I feel so strong, right? I feel so strong about these stickers. I'm so passionate about these stickers because I think they're so awesome for $1. And yeah, I just think they're perfect for $1. So I grabbed 3 of these. I had already purchased 3 of these before on my last Tuesday morning run, and I just picked up 3 more, and I wish I would have picked up more of these. I should have, but I guess my mind wasn't there at that time. But anyway, great investment to have. So they also have, believe it or not, they have their Christmas stuff out already, and they have an aisle full of stuff that are Christmas related from Tim Hortons. I mean, they have amazing, beautiful things. I have to tell you, everything in my body, my mind, my fingers, I was resisting from purchasing anything that's Christmas related, because in my next video, you're gonna see why. So I did not grab anything that was Christmas related except for these 2 papers that are from Tim Hortons. I thought they were gorgeous. They kind of fit perfect with the theme that I'm going to go for this year. And they're just so beautiful and so sparkly. So I grabbed this one. This was only $2. So I grabbed 2 of these. And then the next thing that I grabbed that was Christmas related was this ribbon, this you know, ribbon from American Crafts. This was actually on sale. It was on clearance, and originally was $7. I think I paid like $5 and some change for this. It was 20% off. Now, I love these because I love that they has the Christmas little ribbons in here. And these are really awesome. I love the colors. The colors are perfect for the Christmas theme that we are going to be doing. I don't like these like bright red, green colors, but these colors are not that bright. They're kind of like neutral. And I do like that they have the grays, that they have like the light greens, a lot of silver. I just love that. So I grabbed this beauty, and I am really happy I found this. And then I got, which I don't know, are you guys having the same problem that I'm having? I, for the life of me, cannot find any of these little mini attachers for my Tim Hortons little mini attacher stapler. I used to buy them at Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby doesn't carry them anymore. I have There's like 2 Hobby Lobbies that I go to, and none of them carries them. I don't know if they stopped carrying them. AC Moore used to carry them. They don't carry them anymore. So the only time that the only way that I'm able to get these like mini attachers is if I order them online, which I never do because I always forget to place them, an order on them, right? I could have very easily placed an order when I ordered the scrapbook.com order, and I totally forgot about it. But anyway, I found these at Tuesday morning, and I thought they were perfect. I'm hoping that it's going to fit. I don't even know. I grabbed these thinking in my mind, oh, these are going to be perfect for my little stapler. I think it's going to fit. I'm hoping that it fits. It looks like it's going to fit, so we'll see. And they're like $1.49, which is perfect. I thought they were really good. And then the last thing that I picked up at Tuesday morning was this film sticker. I thought these were so cute. I think I purchased this before, like a long time ago. But anyway, I thought they were really cute. It's like a film sticker. It just brings me back to like back in the days when we used to use these like vintage like cameras, and then you used to take the film and you used to take it to like the Photoshop, and the Photoshop will tell you, okay, it'll take 3 or 4 business days for your photos to be printed. Then you will have to go to the Photoshop store, pick up your print. Remember those days? Remember those good old days? Now what do? Now you just place an order through Walgreens, CVS, right? Do it on your phone, on your smartphone, and bam, you get it ready to go in 2 days, 1 day, even sometimes 24 hours. I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but you know. But anyway, so I bought this, and I thought it was really cool. So I can't wait to play with this. I thought that the film sticker is kind of interesting, and I'm gonna see how we can play around with this. All right, my loves, and that is the only thing that I got at Tuesday morning and at Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to do my scrapbook.com order. I am so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. It's going to be long, babies. So trust me when I tell you, grab a cup of coffee, grab some, I don't know, snacks, and be ready to be with me for a long time because it's going to be a very long haul video. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. Love you all. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in a few minutes.